and I'm off to Goa with these two crazy, crazy, crazy girls in my life. I love them so very much, and I can't wait to spend this Goa time with them. Yeah?
I think I have to fold my this first.
It's not your mirror, you know, na? It's a recording.
Oh, you started also? Hey, Bhagwan. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
ये मिरर नहीं है. Sorry. पागल हो गए. And then as usual there is chaos everywhere. यार इसमें क्या कोविड क्या सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग. It goes on and on. It is unreal. Look at how the people are. कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस सुबह सुबह?
I'm more paranoid and corona scared right now than any time.
What was your experience?
It was fantastic.
I know, it's unreal,
After
guys.
so long, there were people all over me.
I don't know why the chaos in Bombay airport, but finally we are in Goa.
And this is a blooper happening. Oh my God, Kichad is taking us in here. Sona.
For a lot of you who don't know, I have a home in Goa, and ये घर मैंने 5 या 6 साल पहले खरीदा था when nobody was here. But now I don't know why, but पूरा Bombay and Delhi Goa shift हो रहा है. But nonetheless, Goa is Goa. And we are at Chetna's house, which is in Goa.
Granny's house.
Granny's house. That's their house. That's my sister. You know what I love about Goa? The greenery. I love that it is so green, and I love that it is village life. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे छोटे 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 villages हैं, and they are so amazing. I love these houses, I love the trees, I love the greenery, and there she got me. Finally, चेतना का कार पिकअप करने के बाद we are off to our home. It's a very small apartment, but I love the area that we are in. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि यहाँ पे बहुत crowd होता है, but I love Kandalim. I think it's one of the best places to be in. In the middle of everything, in the middle of chaos, but still so quiet and serene and beautiful. In this video, I'm not going to show you my house, but I will show you the building that we live in. ये है हमारा building, और I love this place क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत शांति है. It's so quiet and so peaceful, and I must say they have 11 swimming pools. And we are off for lunch.
It's thali time.
And we have Michael Schumacher driver. And we have there, she's our assistant because she keeps all the bags in the back.
I keep them safe.
Yeah, she's looking over us.
Literally.
So, then you have me. I don't want to wear a mask, but यहाँ पे fine लगेगा, so I have to wear it. And this is Vinayak. You have to come early here because otherwise बहुत भीड़ होता है यहाँ पे. Obviously on road सब लोग park करते हैं. Didn't make a video, but this is what we ate. It's delicious. I'm so full right now.
I have eaten so much. Debauchery has happened.
I know.
Please come to Vinayak. Vinayak thali, fish thali, prawns thali, and gochi thali. What is that?
I don't know. Gochi thali.
Some fish that she has.
Oh, sorry. Are you still
Yeah, I
talking?
was talking. You not,
Okay.
Look at my hair.
अच्छा ठीक है, बस थैंक यू वेरी मच. बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दिया इन्होंने. अब मैं आपको नज़ारा दिखाती हूँ. गोवा इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर फॉर इट्स कैफ़ेज़. ये है वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट कैफ़ेज़, मोजिगाओ. यहाँ पे माइंड ब्लोइंग कॉफ़ीज़ मिलती है, एंड दे हैव सम अमेजिंग डिज़र्ट्स. द फूड इज़ गुड टू, सो डेफिनेटली यू मस्ट कम हियर एंड ट्राई इट. हाय. After spending the whole afternoon here, we are all set to leave and we are gonna go get ready for dinner. This is the first time I'm here and it is a place called Titli. I've heard so much about this place. I am so excited to see how pretty it is because everyone talks about how pretty this place is, and in the night it is even more prettier. This is a very pretty place, but we are so tired after traveling all night. So we are set to hit the bed. See you tomorrow. And I am at the most favorite place of mine and Louis. We come here almost every other day for coffee. This is called Vivanda Cafe. Pretend these girls are not giving me any content for my video, guys. What to do now?
I'm giving you content. What I'm saying is, let me direct the entire story.
Okay, she's going to direct me. Yes, director. Bolo jaldi.
I will walk from there. You will walk in front of me, and then you enter, and then I will see you, and then you can promote the place. And you can say hi, Krishna.
In Kandolim, guys, please come here. It's amazing. The breakfast is to die for.
No, I'm not going to do anything. You are not giving me any content.
This is the content. You're looking very nice, very nice. Light, light, light on the face.
Chashma.
Light on the face. Amazing.
I'm not talking to anybody. Take a bag.
This is Ninja Chacha in the house.
You got your car.
After all that breakfast and all that non-stop बकवास जो हम कर रहे थे, मैं इनको ले जा रही हूँ मेरे favorite दुकान में because I love street shopping and I'm going to take you to my favorite shop. I always go here no matter what happens. I come to Goa and this is the first place I go to.
And now we are going shopping. वापस आ गया हम लोग, देखो तुम्हारा खुद का बैग लेके आया है.
Did you like anything?
To take for mama something.
Yeah, take now.
For mama this time.
I know a lot of people like to buy jewelry and handbags at malls, spend thousands of rupees on them. I love to buy my stuff from local shops. Whenever I come to India, I make sure I go local shopping because I love Indian handmade stuff. ये सब चीज़ें आपको और कहाँ दिखेंगी? इंडिया में सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ें मिलती है एंड दे आर नॉट इवन वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. I think it's always best to support your local businesses and make them grow. And if you haven't noticed, I'm carrying local bags everywhere on this trip. Finally, it is time to hit the beach. Look at these skies. I am in love with Goa all over again. This place is called Tomatoes and we are on Morjim Beach. I personally love this beach. If you are in Goa, you must come to Morjim because it has one of the most prettiest beaches ever.
This is my zone. Beach day, beach day, beach day, beach day.
Yeah, this is what's happening on the beach. And off I go to do some me time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you definitely go to Goa one time in your life. I assure you, you're never going to regret it. It is one of the most beautiful places. Remember, one life, live it. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.